Hi everyone, my name is Uspesihle Uthando. Well, welcome to our very own show that is called Entrafluencer, where influence matters with entrepreneurship. So today we are here with your very own life coach from TikTok, OTG Wagantuli. Well, I guess you wanted to know, but his real name is Uthandanani Wagantuli. So we're here to actually find out if the life that he lives on social media does it match the life that he lives in reality. Well, come with me so we can find out. Hassan. Sanibona njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila Butani. Igama lami nguSiphihle Uthando wakwaSkubudu. I'm actually from the Entrafluencers show. So as we're here to know about more of your journey as the TikTok star, the life coach. So we actually want to see where you do your magic and everything.
All right, now it's that.
Okay, ngiyabonga. Well, if you ask me, mina ngileke laphana to meet Mr. Cots's. And then that is OTG Ntuli, well known as the life coach of TikTok. He actually said he's not the man he was before, and he's not the man he's yet to be. That's what he actually said. Angazi nokuthi kuchaza ukuthini, honestly. Well, thank you for welcoming us, Uthandanani. So, tell us more about yourself. Who is Uthandanani actually?
Just a guy growing in the process between. I usually just say that I call myself that, just a guy growing in the process between. What that means is I'm not the guy I was, but I'm not the guy I'll be yet. So I'm just a guy growing in this process between.
Exactly. All right. So this thing of TikTok, how did you come about? Ungenze account, I'm becoming a TikTok life coach.
I saw myself as someone who can impact people.
Okay.
And kwaqala nje as umuntu ekhula yabo. Ukuthi every time when you're speaking to people, I saw ukuthi no man, I managed to help those people through words.
Yes.
You know, I have this belief that words are probably the most powerful weapon in the world.
Which is what you're doing exactly.
And if used rightly, they can actually save lives. You know? So I just had to have the courage to actually start a TikTok account.
Okay, yeah. Fine. I hear that. So when you got your courage, right? So did you buy equipment first before you create the account, or did you create the account first before you buy the equipment? Balance me there.
I bought the camera first.
Okay.
While I was still in my uncourageous state.
Okay.
But I bought the camera.
Yeah.
And then the rest of the equipment came along as, you know, I started doing my videos. Yeah, so bought the camera and then bought a mic, you know, and then had to change the mics in order to have better quality.
Oh, seems like you did spend quite a lot of money on those things. So you actually take this TikTok thing very seriously.
It's very serious. It's very serious.
Okay.
I take it very seriously. You know, I do think if you wanna become something or push something,
exactly,
you have to take it very seriously. And unfortunately, most people don't take it seriously.
Oh yeah,
you know?
well.
Yeah, so you have to take it very seriously. Make sure that whatever you're putting out there, it's of the great quality. You know, you're not just pushing something for the sake of pushing something.
Like, honestly, umntana is just barely doing his content, ustalele phansi and giving life advices. Nina, you decide to be a bully. Why ninga bully? I do not understand, and never nangepatika Mandela, I would never understand. But anyway, his words, not mine anyway. But Ugusho in those fancy words and everything. But there was a word that he said. Penetrate. I'm even scared of saying it myself.
I usually say that a fighter gets in the ring knowing that even if he wins, he still has to take some punches.
All right.
So he has to develop a stronger chin.
Okay.
So if getting into this thing, I knew that when I got into this thing that not everybody's going to like me. There are going to be some negative comments. There are people who hate you for the sake of hating. There are people who love to hate, because the people who are trolling me and saying bad things about me don't know a single thing about me.
Exactly.
So, but I can't allow that to penetrate me. You have to be impenetrable.
Oh.
So even if it hits you, but it mustn't penetrate you.
All right. So, okay, the penetrate word, but okay, all right. Okay, so, tell me, so you never actually thought, well, comment actually it's giving me this and confront or something that you want to defend yourself against this person. I mean, this person is saying isn't being that way. You never got to that point.
Nah. I knew the comments were gonna come, but I haven't gotten those like serious comments, okay. Because there are comments where you go like, nah, this is not right. Say maybe somebody were to accuse me of murder or rape or whatever. Those are serious comments, which now then you go, I need to attend this. Okay. So I haven't gotten those. I've gotten banter. I've gotten people saying stuff about me, but I haven't gotten those serious ones.
Okay, so when the only serious comment that you can ever take serious is about murder and the rape and whatsoever accusations. Other than that, out in take. And guess what, ladies? I'm sorry to be the one breaking it to you. Ati UTG. He's taken in a very serious relationship for that matter. I don't know Mtasa uzayenza with that crush of yours and so forth, because you are all there. Guma comments. Anyway, I think he's very much welcoming. He can actually accept my donations. We don't know, but he's taken. Yeah.
I'm not married yet, but I am in a serious relationship,
nice.
Which hopefully, as time goes on, as I gain more financial power, we can actually be married,
Well, ladies, I hope you hear that correctly. Well, he's very much taken, just waiting for... You can actually donate the money so that he gets married, though. They can actually try to help you and so forth. Maybe if they can see the ring on you, maybe... But have you ever gotten the messages like a text and tell you, confess their feelings and everything?
I've got one or two.
Oh, okay. So you actually quite a charmer. You that guy.
I don't think I'm quite a charmer, but
ladies do not text that they don't think is very appealing and so forth. Well, okay, I tell you what, from me to you. Hamba phuza amanzi isikoko, uphuza coffee, udla amakheke and whatsoever, uvala amawindi if awavaliwe, whatsoever that you need to do in this short minute, because now we're going to meet after this ad break. We're coming back, Skoko, with the Momkosi. Mina ke as the lucky lady. One keeper uthi gym, magang keeper. Unkiphela kaslake, guys. Unkiphela ekaslake. There's this place is actually beautiful, right? It's very green, and we went to this store. It's more like a complex with many things. Guys, athi uyangithengela amakheke. You know those small ones la sithi aboqwe. Athi aboqhomfana. Amahlanu ngimi, imagine the whole lady balkhiphela ukuthi liyodla abaqhomfane. I just do not understand isizulu sakaboshaka basithatha kuphi, honestly. But then anyway, I had a date. But it seems like a very well-established business. Where they do their business.
Indawo kaMagidi lo mngane wami la khona dayisa khona iyona ndawo esithenga ngakuyo ke le.
Okay. So
awasithenga kuyo, so ngisafuna ukuzothenga nje uqhomfane.
Yini le?
I'm a cake.
Oh, okay. Okay, then can we get Yeah, it is called ukompana. Okay, fine. Seems like ngathi kuhlele kuqale nje la. Is this actually the center of the community where umphakathi actually does most of their everything here?
Yeah, mostly we buy here, but we've got a mall now, so it's a mall. But usually the quick stuff.
Oh, but then this is the root of the community where everything started before you had the mall. Now because I see ngapha it's a place of enjoyment. Ngapha you get your goods, and then ngapha you get your fast food.
Exactly. So you almost get anything. Everything.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I wish I had a place like that. It seems quite nice.
Then move to Nsoleni.
Oh, okay. It actually seems quite very nice, and the people here, they seem very welcoming.
Yeah, they are. Of course, there are one or two, but mostly.
Yeah. So you're telling me it's not a place where I should be scared? Oh, so
nah, you shouldn't be scared. You shouldn't be scared of them.
Okay, so here, but I know this is my cookies. It's cookies and some food. Oh, they're actually nice.
Yeah, definitely. That's why I like them. My name is Thandanani Nduli, better known as Utechi Nduli. And this is usually how I do my setup. I do believe that you have to take seriously what you want to do in life. So in order to make this, my content, good quality, first things first, I bought a camera. So if I can advise somebody who wants to do content creation, try to get as good quality product as you can. If you can't afford a camera, then at least get a phone that has good camera quality. So I bought a camera, bought a mic, and this mic actually connects to my phone. So in order to get great quality. So I usually have my younger brother or my niece here, and they are the ones who actually shoot the videos. And then after shooting, then I have to edit the video using some apps on my phone. Actually, I use two types of apps. I use CapCut and InShot. So, and then after that, it's posting.
Okay, guess what? Because everything that Uthandanani, UTG, or Mr. Whatsoever is, it's too good to be true, my good people. It's too good to be true. But then anyway, ngathi yazini, hlangana noSlindo kuhla kancimalo. Athi bangama brothers, but they're friends and so forth. You know my brother from another mother thingy type of. Athi, Uthandanani guys, uyizigora at the same time udlala ibhola. Okay, angazi lutho ngosami ngiyangibona nani. I don't know if the combos communicate noma kwenzakalani, but seemingly Uthandanani akazange akhule this sophisticated person. But ngisho next.
Uthandanani indoda-ke esikhule nayo le kade vele emdala kunathi empraza endala nje. Indoda ethanda ukuyijimela. Nebhola yayidlala-ke wahamba isikhathi-ke yonke into. Ifikela ubona ukuthi ithalente yakho lingaphi. Isikhathi esiningi-ke emva kokuthi eqeda isikole kade sengumuntu engekho lana ehamba-ke indawo uGoli uMpumalanga.
So Uthandanani actually wafihlela abangani bakhe that he is now on TikTok. Baboni because the numbers are going up. That makes me wonder what other secrets are you hiding with Uthandanani, honestly, because your friend wabona ngawe also TikTok. You kept this a secret.
Nami ngaqala ngathuka nje sengibona indoda esiyitrenda. Sihlala nayo ukuthi hawu naye seyivuka ko TikTok. Kodwa ke into ekanjalo sayisupporta ngoba phela zi-impact. Akusiyo labo TikTok abanormal. Labo sijwayele babona ukuthi abantu belingisela abanye abantu and stuff. But eyakhe into iqondile nje. And futhi ke ekseni daily vele mesivuka ama motivation because impilo ke ayikho leli zinga esifisa kuba kuyona abantu abaningi badinga motivation every single day. so yena ukwenza okwakhe siyamsupporta kakhulu and sifise ye phambili ngakho kodwa aye phambili ngakho kuphela yena kodwa nempilo zabantu afisa ukuyishintsha ishintsheke.
Grand uthanda nani i-out sharp ne ningangizwa kabi. I understand that it's too good to be true ne, but even his friends say he's a very supportive person, a go-to person. You understand? Even Noslindo, but Noslindo good ngizomninga leyo 10% uba nah, he's also a good friend. I mean, he said most beautiful things about a friend yakhe and all that, but you will never know, I guess.
Ukuba umuntu hayi umuntu mina singazi kwezinye indawo kodwa kumina uyindoda eright sibuye sijime ndawonye ke although angikho consistent njengaye but ke siyazwana nje ngoba uma khona inkinga anayo uyakwazi ukuza kumina nami khona inkinga enginayo ngiyakwazi ukuza kuyena siyaphilisana nje vele we've been umakhelane for over 20 years or 30 sikhule ndawonye nje yonke into right although kade ngisho nje uyendlingana nobhuti besabadala semthatha njengobhuti na ngithatha njengobhuti lokho akwenza nje ngizosho akaqhubeke njalo ngoba phela amathalente wethu thina sijwayele ukwa discover mesibadala njengaye mhlawumbe ithalente lakho discover esemdala sazi ukuthi manje ithalente thina kumele kube ibhola kube isikole ngoba izinto soku unikwe zona lezi but ezinye izinto ke ziyazenzakalela ngoba naye ngiyacanga ukuthi akavele ekhulume ngento mhlawumbe engadlulanga kuyona or engayiboni izinto asuke edlula kuzona ezibona naye abona ukuthi abanye abantu zobasiza ziyabalekelela yikho nje engingakusho lokho mina
Sengithanda ukudideka because azange ngifuna ukumbhelieve Slindo. So ngithi no man. Let me go ngiyobuza uNkosi khona because bekaseduze anyway so uyabona uNkosi khona says a different story. Athi uTG uthanda nani? He's actually a God-fearing child. Njani wethu? Njani kuthiwa ukujima amademon and everything. But azazi anyway, and this person says, akanawo TikTok and so forth. Apparently, nina ladies, ushilo uthanda nani ukuthi you there kuma DMs. Nina nabona ukuthi okay nizomngena by the friend. Yinina kahle kahle na bambisa omunye ukuthi ulapha ku TikTok and currently growing in numbers. Nginibhekile nisile nina.
Sanibonani njani? Igama uNkosi khona wamngomezulu. Ngokuhlala ngikhona lapha endaweni yasenseleni eKhaleni. Ukwazi kwami umfokantuli uthanda nani? Umfowethu ngokuzalwa. Ngisuka nje kude kakhulu naye. Uyindoda nje impela elungile. Ngokwazi kwami ke umazi ezinsizwa ewuthanda kakhulu uNkulunkulu. Eyela nje esontweni. So ke ikakhulu nje lapho angimazi khona athanda ukugcila kakhulu khona. So ukumthola kule ndaba kaTikTok into ke engayijwayeleke indaba kaTikTok kodwa ke ngigcine sengimthola ngezinye zeintokazi zingikhombisa lapha kwemafonini ukuthi umfowethu ke lapho useshaya isingisi samakhodi okube into ke enhle kakhulu leyo nethande nje ukuthi nami ingigqogqozele ukuthi ngikwazi ukumnikeza abanye abantu. Baningi kabafowethu esengizamile ukuxhumana nabo ukumenza naye futhi ukuthi ekwazi ukuqhubekela phambili kuyo lento ya TikTok. Okunye kubafo akwenzayo ukuphakamisa izinsimbi. Uyinsizwe kukhonza kakhulu ke lokhu kujima. Sikhuluma nje manje ayimpela uselikakabane ngokumazi kwami nje mina sikhula ube insizwa enganganawo umunwe emncunu emncanyanyana nje umfowethu kodwa manje impela hayi ngokweinsimbi sehambe wahamba impela hayi kwamina sengingaphansi kwakhe. So ke kukhombisa ukuthi ubafo une dedication kweyonke into asuke yenza noma ngabe yini ayenzayo ukhombisa ukuyimisela. So nje kuleyo ndawo ngingathanda futhi ukumshayela ihlombe. So ngiphinde futhi ngimkhuthaze ukuthi engakiyeki. Siyafunda kuye, kuningi sikufunda futhi kuye ngokuthi yonke into ayiqalayo akayiyeki futhi akaphelelwa amandla. Yabona khona izinto thina siyiqale siphinde siyishiye endleleni. Cha yena impela hayi lutho. Isonto usalibambile. Ukujima kwakhe lokho sasithi uzokushiya endleleni singakwethembi usakubambile. Nayo le ndaba kaTikTok esasithi impela hayi lento uzoyishiya endleleni. Hayi cha usayibambile. Sikhuluma nje manje una followers impela amaningi kade ngibona nje ngikhombisa na 190 something 197,000 ama followers kukhombisa i-dedication anayo nokuyinikela ne-passion anayo kuyo yonke lento le ka TikTok. Kungakuhle-ke nabanye bemlandela ubafu yagcina phela ngokulike nimlandela umfowethu ekwazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga lento ikwazi ukumphumelelisa indaba ka TikTok.
Welcome, my good people. I think it's that time. Mna nawe siyesitoro siyotiva kancane amanzi. Well, ama-crush, abane-crush kuthanda nani, they might as well get a tissue because they are already crying. So, let me go to the break. Well, okay, welcome back to our very own show. Now, well, we have passed the Tandanani Nduli and now we are at Umkosi. What's currently trending and so forth? Well, allegedly, they say Uvuyokazi Mciweni, who was the baby mama of Mpumelelo Mselegu. Well, you know from Izingane's Tembo. Well, apparently Uvuyokazi married the guy called Uqolane, who's a chef who works overseas. It didn't last long because, no, the marriage did last, but my guy is busy on Twitter, going on Usbusi Poswa and all that, DMing her, telling her how much he thinks he should have chose Usbusi. I mean, good people, like, God, it's been barely a month, you go there. And then I don't understand why people are actually bashing Usbusi. I mean, aren't we all against men who cheat on their wives and so forth? And then we're the one bashing them, the woman actually who is actually exposing that. Well, I really, really hope Uvuyokazi is well and so forth, and that it's just all rumors because okay, fine, it's not all rumors because we saw the text. And then coming to Utando Wagadlamuga, you know Utando Dlamuga, the girl who actually got married at the age of 16 while the parents allowed that. Uthi yena ukushada kwakhe uSiyacela Dlamuga wasn't actually something that bekayazi ukuthi uzomshada because bekangazi ngisho ukhisi engazi ngisho. I mean, what would you expect from a 16-year-old? And then uyasola, she regrets everything, and surely she regrets everything after the comments were there, after people were saying how uDlamuga uSiyacela is treating Utando and everything like that. People were saying, one day we will wake up, sithi sivule show isencane lengane kuvele kuthiwa RIP to Utando, rest in peace and so forth, because uSiyacela shame uzombulala umntana abantu, and she's very young to be actually standing for that. But then that is allegedly Utando Dlamuga say that, and it seems like she's moving on with her life. I mean, she looks very stunning, she looks very beautiful, and lately she hasn't been posting about uSiyacela or answering anything. So I'm sure people are wondering, I'm also wondering, what is actually happening to Utando Wagadlamuga? Well, sesizohamba ke, then we're there. 2, apparently bathi uKabza. Kabza though. uKabza is cheating. Guys, uKabza is cheating on his wife. Girlfriend. Because none my side chick anna time ngishem. Anna time uKabza bamshutha alele ushutha iside chick, apparently ushumfazi endlini uhambe ushuthana nama side chicks. Like, what is happening with men of South Africa, honestly? Because Nami Angaz, well, that is allegedly. I did see the post, I did see the pictures and so forth. But, you know, get in between the lines, read between the lines. That is actually what is currently trending. And the drip saga. We had the drip saga where they said, okay, Uligao is actually losing most of his business trucks and everything off, which is very, very sad for a black man and black excellence, the man who actually started his own brand from scratch, and nobody actually ever believed that a black person can actually own a sneaker company or whatsoever, let alone a black man owning so much. But Personally, I wish Uligawa recovers from everything that he lost, but again, they did advise him. There was a guy who actually went there on social media and then advised him on everything. And sadly, he did not listen. Did he listen? No. Well, I guess that is what is currently trending on this week. Well, from me, Intandokazi Kega Matusini, the daughter of Uskubutu Sakazi Nqamukomza Yoshabelihle Usifesihle, I'm saying I would see you next week. Another influencer, same time, same place. You know, not really the same place, but you got the drill. This is me to you saying goodbye. Asambe, Entrafluencer.
Ikalamba Films.